in a way, warmth is to bring things into movement, to make things fluid, liquid, and and light is necessary to perceive. So you have a nervous system down there which is not cooking anything, but which is observing, and which is there that the system can connect in a way, has a network of knowledge of it's a thought of thinking which takes place down there. Not as we think here, what has to be done here and what has to be done there, but if you think about what thinking is, in its essence, it's more or less creating connections. This has to do with that. A car has to have 4 wheels, then it's a car, but it mustn't be very big wheels, then it's a lorry, So normal sized wheels, 4, a seat to sit on. And these things you bring together, and then the concepts can sink into this net. But thinking is creating this network that something can take place in this net. And this also takes place down there. And and we are very much used to associate light with our head way of thinking, because the head, the nervous system of the head, is actually a sensual system. All our senses are connected to our brain. And it's astonishing. We normally think, or when we do a movement or something like that, that the brain decides what to do and how to move, but actually all movements are controlled by the spinal nerve system, not by the brain. The brain only makes a decision what we would like to do, but actually organized is the movement by our spinal nerve system. So the head actually is a nerve system of the brain which receives sense impressions and makes connections between this, what is part of these perceptions. And for this, we associate it with light. With this light, I think we do things, we just connect things with each other. And the light down there, it's more being present and making things possible through being there. It has a lot to do with the quality of the eye. So if you really want to look for how can I incorporate my eye qualities in myself, then you must really sink down into your body in a pure way, let's put it like this. But from there, you have this quality of really working out of perception and not out of combining things, which is not wrong, but your true being has to come through, to become born through this part of your being. It's a being coming from light, but you have to be born through there. So the L we did not touch. No, but it's in a way this letting things drop down, not to lead it down in the arms, but it's just through perceiving things, to feeling the light around your arms and letting it go and not manipulating it, so much, because the upper system wants to form the light, but here you just let go, That was the idea, to work in a different way with light than we are used to.